Here we go, guys. Just a quick video to show you our gray dash line that's picking up some momentum on X. And as soon as we hit it and come back up, let's see if we can get down there. In fact, we'll take a little piece of the pie here. And we're looking for a rebound of, in other words, reversal back up to the upside because this measured move has a 90% probability of success. And so we're just going to watch here, see if we can't get a little reversal coming back up. Of course, we have a time count on our side at this time. A couple of factors, a low pivot over there on the far left-hand side, as we see right here. So we take if you're playing this game in a fair field, you're not doing it right. You need a unfair tactical advantage to win in this game. So we're just gonna hold and mode here until we get a little pump. We're looking for a run up into the 200 there. Okay. So we'll just still have another, minute or so to go on this current candle. But it's a measured move. This gray dash line is a measured move that our Patreon members know how to calculate and figure. Easy to do. If you've seen a few of the tweets, if you post on X, you see we've been taking advantage of this in a lot of different assets. So it works on everything, timelines, different assets, so on and so forth. So we have about 15 seconds to go before this current 2-minute candle closes, and then we'll see if we get a little bit more push to the upside. Normally, be honest with you, on this 2-minute chart, it's so volatile. I'd already be out, but we want to see if we can come up here to that 200. That's, you know, we called it. We're going to stay with our call. And unless, we take out the candle we got in on, we'll call it good with that. Walk out of the casino with our tail between our legs, or we're going to run up here to the 200 and win the Grand Slam. So, anyway, instead of you sitting here watching paint dry, I'm going to go ahead and pause it. And then, we might get a little push here. I'll go ahead and pause it. And then, either way we go, we'll come back and, you know, take our victory lap around the track, or like I said, walk out of the arena with our tail between our legs, one or the other. Still got a little bit less than a minute to go on this candle, on the next one. Uh, but, it's not over until it's over, of course. We'll see if we can hit that 200 up there at about 35 seconds. And then we'll take our profit and go to the house. Okay, losing a little momentum here. Oh, by the way, this is AMD Advanced Micro Devices. Probably should have stated that to begin with. Got about 10 seconds here to go. See if we can't get that little pop. Well, that 200 is coming down, so that's kind of helping us. Not gonna lie, but prices prices coming down too. So I don't know if I wasn't videotaping this, like I said earlier, 200 bucks probably would have got out on that. Actually, it was a little bit higher than that earlier, but we already called saying we're going to hit that 200. So let's see. We can't get it on this candle. Still have a little over a minute to go. See if we can't get it on this one. Well, if we close where we are now, obviously, or lower, yeah, we're looking for a reverse there. Okay, we got about 50 seconds. Okay, we'll come in here and take another position. Because that was a hit fake. How do we know that? Just, I mean, we've been in this game so long, we can now think like a criminal and know what these guys are going to do. So, also knowing there's a handful of stock. Hold on. Get out of here. 2, 1. Come on. Anyway, there's a handful of stocks that we trade consistently. And if you just have a handful, 3, 4, maybe 5 at the most, then, you can get a good feel for their personality, just like your kids, if they're, if they're sick, if they're happy, if they're sad, just their mood, without even, really even talking to them. And same with these stocks, but you have to, trade them a while, get used to them, know how their market makers work. Okay, we'll add to that one if we hit the, okay, we'll wait for that pull up right there. Missed it. I was there looking and didn't, jeez, I missed it. Anyway, I was trying to get a buy in right here, missed it. Oh, I did get it. I hit the wrong freaking button over there. Okay, well, it hit it. Y'all see where it hit the 200. We're out. Yeah, I screwed up. I was looking at thought I had my mouse on the right button over here, and actually I took off. I hit the short and took off 1,000 shares rather than adding 1,000 shares. So it should have been more, but man, my screw up. I apologize. But anyway, you see how the game's played. Come learn more about how the game's played over on our Patreon member site, and we will see you on the charts.